Hello, I'm Dr. Farah and welcome to my kitchen. So today, I will be introducing you to a very powerful herb, which I know you already know. It's called, in Tagalog, siling labuyo. So, its scientific name is Capsicum frutescens. And the active component is capsaicin. So this capsaicin, it's very important because it has anti-inflammatory and it has pain-relieving property. So it's very good. If you're having pains all over your body, you can take it. It's also rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and it has an anti-aging property as well. So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a tincture. So this is how you go about it, okay? So you chop your sili into smaller pieces, and then you will see there's a lot of seeds on it. It's beautiful. Okay, chop them into smaller pieces. Thank you to Ate Catherine for sending me all of this. I love you, Ate Cathy. I did not grow this. This was sent to me by my wonderful friend, Ate Catherine Kelly. So, I just want to say I love you, Ate. Without you, I wouldn't be able to make this. So, anyway, just chop them all of this, and then transfer them in a cup, 1/4, 1/2 cup of vinegar, whichever you prefer. Just fill it up, okay? It's better if you fill it up like 3/4, and then you store it in a canister or in a brown bottle for 4 to 6 weeks in a dry, cool place. And then you can drink that 1 teaspoon once a day. And I hope that this short video was able to help you. Bye!